Hi, my name is Kenny Yoho. I'm here in East Bay. I'm out here training at group school, and I got Cole Bradford. Cole's been riding with me about a year and a half. Great form, a lot of heart. This kid definitely has what it takes, and can't wait to see what he becomes. And I'm just happy to be a part of his racing. Rouse getting the lead, but Cole Bradford going to make a power movement. Rouse going to get a little wild over the double section as he makes the pass back. Ethan kind of tends to hold it wide as he does get past. Bradford and Ethan Rouse side by side. Cole going to make the under switch, and it might pay off this time around. Here we go. Cole's been over, we've been working together this week, and on that same move, he executed it perfectly here. And the second everybody's on the gas, put people in the corners, making our ass trying to run the first, shaving seconds off your time. I got the best stuff on my mind, it's all mine. You smell what I sizzle, something the second fizzle. Getting through the weeks, then your third, fourth, and triples. When I'm on the only single phone, drinking the racing. And when I'm on the movie, I'm sitting in first place. Riverside, get down and dirty when I ride style. Always getting buck wild, off the wall, off the chain. Everybody know I claim all the people in the place. Everybody know my name. The hotness, I drop this, the business, the realness, I'm fearless. When I'm stepping in the game, I'm in the insane. Bring the pleasure and the pain. Lean back on the track, it's a snap like that. Both these runners, awesome riders. I've got a chance to work with both of them coming up. And right now, Cole, man, the right, definitely can hold it on. Body position riders, as these kids are going to be the future hero in Cole. You had to really work hard that time. Rouse had the lead. You had to really work your way up, and then the last traffic kind of helped you out there.
Yeah, he got behind me, and I cut in on him. I set him up, and I made the pass.
How about the lap traffic? So you kind of like the lap traffic now?
Not really, but
it helped
me.
I tell you what, awesome ride. Great performance. You kept on two wheels. Who do you want to thank?
I'd like to thank my sponsor, Parts Unlimited, Chris Rouse, Christina Beck, my mom, my dad, Jeremiah, Kenny Yoho, my sister, and Crash.
All right, Cole Bradford taking it home.
Good job, Coley.
Yeah, give me some track
there. The 002, and then you got it out there that you want to beat the 150.
Well, I've been trying my best to get there.
Definitely exciting. Awesome job. You got the win. You kept on two wheels. And everybody was thank you.
I like to think my mom really working today. Right now, my outfit stand back. My mom, my dad. And I like the whole hearing and
wish her get well.
yeah, I was only sent her a card. I talked to her last night.
Awesome job. Cole Bradford taking the 110. Moto one.
Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's get